Thank you, Stephanie. You're great as usual.
Do this.
Okay.
Good morning. How are you?
Why don't you take your coat off?
And what's wrong with you, Mommy?
I don't feel good.
No.
Can you make me feel better?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You're sure?
Sure.
Okay. What are you doing? What are you testing? My blood pressure?
A.
Okay, what are you testing? Does it hurt?
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt, Mama?
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt, right?
I'm gonna keep you feel better now, Mommy.
Okay, what's next?
You don't feel better now?
Yeah.
Now you have to take your Dova.
My Dawa?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the Dova. Now close it.
Mm.
Is it good, Mommy?
What's the Dawa for?
What do you mean?
What's it gonna help?
Is it,
Can you check my heart?
yeah. Can you blow me a balloon?
Yeah, I'll blow you a balloon. You wanna check my heart? Can you hear it?
I'll go like this.
Okay. What does it say? What does my heart say?
Remember.
Both? It
Yeah.
says, I love Chapati. Can you hear that?
I love to
Yeah. What's it say? Is that my heart or my batoon? Where's my batoon? Where's my heart?
Wait, before you take it off, do you want to test the penguin?
Is penguin okay?
You want to test owl?
No.
No.
Take Mommy.
Testing mommy?
Yeah. Now I have to take the temperature.
Okay. What does my temperature say?
I know that.
What's my temperature say? What's this number
Now
say?
you need a Band-Aid, Mommy.
Okay.
You need a Band-Aid on your finger, Mommy.
Sure. Let's see, is there a wawa on my finger?
Yeah.
Where?
Which finger?
Oh, I think this one.
Okay. Do you feel better now,
Yeah.
Mommy?
It's perfect.
Can I take it off now?
Yeah.
Oh. Is the roll on? Mommy?
Yeah? Would you like me to blow you a balloon?
Yeah.
You have one more test.
Can you blow me a balloon, Mommy?
Yeah. It should be a
Please, thank you. Mommy will blow.
Need a big one, Papa. Need a big one. Is that a big one?
Yeah.
Where did you pull it from?
I don't know.
Whoops, too much.
Stop.
Mommy blew
You
it too much.
can't tell them if you blow too much.
Stop.
What is it?
It popped.
Want to turn it into a turkey? Do you want to turn it into a turkey? Do you need a pee-pee, Mommy?
Yeah, let's draw on
Do you
it,
need to
Mommy.
pee-pee?
No.
Let's take it to the no-no and then we'll draw on it.
No.